we are going to show you how to sync your Evernote desktop application. Let's begin. Now, for you to be able to sync your Evernote desktop, you might want to click the section that says Download for Windows. And of course, log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, just click the sign up option, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. To sync your Evernote desktop app, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is open the Evernote desktop application once you have successfully installed that on your computer. Sign in, which is going to be this. That's going to be my sign in account. And if you enter your credentials, email, and password, you have to do that. Now, for example, I am creating like a note here. I'm going to create one very quickly. Title is going to be this, I can insert an image if I want. Now here, for us to be able to, and then all I have to do is go to the file section. I want you to go to the tools, which is the shortcut is Control plus comma, but click the settings and you have an option to go to the sync folders. All right, you can automatically import files from selected folders on your computer. All I have to do is click the connect a folder if you haven't already. So I have selected my folder. All right, you can also include subfolders if you wanted, and then click the apply changes. All right, so now we have successfully synced the desktop application to Evernote. Now another option is, if you go to the devices, these are going to be some of the devices that you are working. All right, make sure that you do not disconnect them because that would sync them automatically on your account. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.